Welcome to oneHOWTO. In this video, we're going to look at some basic Lambazouk steps. First, we're going to learn the basic front-back move. We start by placing our left leg behind and making 2 small steps. Then placing our right leg forward with another 2 small steps. Long, short, short, long, short, short. The next Lambazouk move is the basic side step move. If we are dancing in a group, we start with the left leg for both boys and girls, moving to the left hand side in much the same way. Long, short, short. As we begin, we can add a gentle hip movement to every step we take. If we dance together as a couple, it's exactly the same movement, except the girl will start on her right leg and move to the right. It's important when you dance close together that your legs are intertwined to keep you together comfortably when dancing. In the same way, we can dance as a couple when moving forward and backward as we described before. Let's do the 2 steps together. We hope you enjoyed this basic Lambazouk steps tutorial. If you did, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more dance and fitness techniques. See you next time!